this Super Bowl Sunday, that would be today, Mint Mobile is giving away free 3 months of premium wireless with their 3 gig plan. So you get 3 months of 3 gigs LTE data per month for completely free. This includes unlimited talking text, you get a free SIM card, supports mobile hotspot, and includes Wi-Fi calling and voice over LTE. It's a pretty great deal. Here are the details, and here is how you can get this promotion. Here on the page, it says offer starts today, that is February 2nd at 3:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is the time of the kickoff, and then it'll be available throughout the game, and it will end around where the game closes, which Mint is estimating around 7:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. What exactly are you getting with this free promotion? Well, if you go on Mint's site and you try and purchase their $15 3 gig plan for 3 months, you click view details, you are getting a free SIM kit. And this SIM kit is preloaded with your service. You can choose to either bring your existing number over to Mint Mobile, or you can activate a brand new number. And the best part is you have 45 days to make that decision, and the kit is again completely free. And if you're wondering if your current phone will work with Mint Mobile, odds are it will. Mint uses T-Mobile for coverage, so all you need is a unlocked phone compatible with the T-Mobile network, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, why is Mint doing this? Why are they literally giving away free service? Well, honestly, it's because the barrier to entry for Mint is not the price. Like, it's not super expensive that people won't sign up for it. It's actually the opposite. Their plans are so cheap. You can see their plans start at just $15 a month for 3 gigs of data. You can do $20 for 8 gigs and $25 for 12 gigs. These prices are so cheap, people are skeptical. Typically, they associate high price with premium service. Think of something like the iPhone. Super expensive, $1,000 phone, but people associate it with premium quality. Same thing for cell service. More expensive plans like Verizon's Get More Unlimited plan for $90 a month, people associate with premium quality. However, some carriers like Mint Mobile can offer exceptional service at reduced prices. I have a full video covering how Mint Mobile can be so cheap, which you can check out linked in the video description. But to save you a click, basically they do 5 things. First, they are an online-only carrier. They don't have any physical store locations, and this saves money on rent, heating, electricity, and staffing the stores with salespeople. Second, Mint offers their plans in bulk. It's a lot like buying a huge thing of paper towels from Costco. The more you buy, the more you save. Same is true with Mint Mobile. They offer their plans in 3, 6, or 12-month packages. And if we expand all of their plans, you can see as we go down, the prices get better. So the intro prices are available for new customers, and then you get their 6-month prices, and then the price drops even further if you commit to 1 year of service. Third, Mint does not offer unlimited plans. You can see here, they literally only offer 3 plans, 3 gigs, 8 gigs, or 12 gigs of LTE data per month. Now, these plans do include unlimited 2G data after you go over the included high-speed allotment of 4G LTE data, but by no means does that mean these plans are unlimited. Having strict data limits means Mint Mobile knows how much data their customers are going to use, and they can negotiate better rates with T-Mobile, which is the network Mint Mobile uses for coverage. Fourth, Mint Mobile makes strategic financial investments. That would be this guy, Ryan Reynolds, buying advertisements in the New York Times, promoting free service instead of spending $5.6 million on a Super Bowl commercial, which, if you do remember, they did last year, and now Mint Mobile is associated with chunky milk. Congratulations, Mint Mobile. That is disgusting. Anyway, people now know about Mint from last year's commercial. Ryan wants you to try and sign up, so they're literally giving their service away for free. And I thought this was kind of brilliant. Someone had tweeted at him, "Hey, can you post a photo of my dog?" And Mint Mobile did a 1-page ad of this photo of the dog. That is amazing, and I guess Ryan also loves dogs. So clever advertising is another strategy. The 5th reason is Mint Mobile has a lot of self-help tools. If we go to their main site, scroll all the way down to their support. You can go to their FAQ, and here you can see they have tons of support articles and guides for setting up data and MMS on Android, setting everything up on iPhone. They answer all of the common questions people have, managing your account, all that kind of stuff. So people can go here, get their questions answered, and then this saves their support from having to answer questions from people calling in. And Mint also has a lot of guides showing you how things are done. I also have a video on how to sign up and keep your number, so you can check that out if you're interested as well. The other thing I want to mention is for newer iPhones, you actually do not need to set up data and messaging. This actually works automatically. On Android, there are a few settings called APN settings that you do have to set up, but you do that once and then you're good to go. Okay, so now you're probably wondering, how is the Mint Mobile service? And of course, you can get the free deal and try it out for yourself. I would definitely recommend that. But I actually used Mint Mobile as my personal provider all throughout 2019. And I have to say, I was really surprised with the quality of service. It was better than I expected. I was skeptical giving the super affordable price point, but it was great. Mint supports full feature service, and then you get support for things like visual voicemail, Wi-Fi calling, voice over LTE, and my favorite, the personal hotspot. So the experience was honestly great. Mint uses T-Mobile for coverage, so I got identical coverage to the T-Mobile network, and in my area, really fast speeds. So that is Mint Mobile's free 3-month promotion. Link in the video description if you want to check it out. I think it's going to be a great value. It can help you save a lot of money on cell service with Mint's affordable pricing. And honestly, guys, I am a Mint Mobile affiliate partner, so typically I do get commission if you choose to sign up using my link. However, because this deal is so good, they are giving away free service. It's not actually eligible for commission, but that doesn't matter. I want you guys to sign up, take advantage of this. It's literally free service. Great opportunity to not only try out Mint Mobile, but to also try out the T-Mobile network and see how coverage and performance is in your area. I'm a big fan. My goal is to help you save money on service. Mint's affordable pricing makes them a great option for a lot of people, and I think they are absolutely worth giving a shot. Like this video if you found it helpful, and visit my site bestphoneplans.net to compare cell phone plans on the Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile networks.